In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports in QuickBooks Online to Excel, PDF, or CSV. Exporting your reports is a great way to analyze data outside of QuickBooks, share polished summaries with your team, or back up key information for your records. I'll walk you through the process step by step and point out helpful tips along the way so you can get exactly what you need. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your company account. If you manage more than one company, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company file before moving on. Once you're in, look to the left menu and click Reports. This is your central hub for everything from profit and loss and balance sheet to sales, expenses, and more. You can scroll through the categories or use the search bar to quickly find a specific report. Open the report you want to export. Before you download anything, make sure the data looks right. Check the date range at the top and confirm it matches the period you want to analyze or share. If the numbers appear off, review the date range and any visible filters until the report reflects exactly what you expect. This quick review prevents rework later. When the report is set, look to the top right of the report window and click the export icon. Depending on your browser, it may look like a box with an arrow or a download share symbol. If you don't see a download prompt later, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or automatic downloads. Now choose your format. Select Export to Excel if you plan to work with the data, add formulas, or adjust formatting. Excel keeps tables and headings and gives you full flexibility for analysis. Pick Export to PDF if you want a clean, read-only document that's easy to share and print while preserving the on-screen layout. This is ideal for presentations or when you want a professional snapshot. Choose Export to CSV if you need a plain data file for importing into another system or tool. A CSV strips out most formatting and keeps just the raw values, which is perfect for data migration or bulk analysis in other software. When prompted, save the file to your computer. Give it a clear name and include the report type and date range so it's easy to find later, and choose a folder you'll remember. If your browser saves files automatically, check your Downloads folder. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.